How to add multiple stops in Google Maps. So hello guys, if you want to add multiple stops in Google Maps, how you guys can do that? It works on iPhone, Android or Samsung. The process was same. So for that we'll simply go to Google Maps. Once you click here you guys will see on down right side arrow pick. So simply click on arrow. Once you click on arrow here you guys will see choose start location, choose destination. So I will simply search for stop location. Here I will search for destination. Now here you guys will see drive, train. Also the question is how we can add multiple stops. So you guys can see 8 stops. So simply click on that. Now here you guys can see petrol station, restaurants, or you guys can search stop. For example, I want to stop in Makki Marwat. So I will add it. Now I want to add another stop. So I will simply click on again on 8 stop. Here I will search for another stop, and that's how you guys can add stops. You can add multiple stop. For example, you guys can see first stop, second stop, third stop. Thanks for watching.